square feet.
Okay. Full length door, 8 inches.
2.4 meter height.
Okay.
Foyer area.
Okay.
So this is the first bedroom.
Okay.
Size इसका 12.8 by 13 का है.
Very decent. Ceiling height is also good.
Ceiling height is also good. 3.3 meter का height है sir, floor to ceiling.
Tentatively 10.5?
11 feet.
Okay.
तो अच्छी बात क्या है कि जो अपार्टमेंट्स में अभी ऑफर कर रहा हूँ ऑलमोस्ट फुली फिटेड यूनिट्स हैं व्हिच इंक्लूड्स आपका लेमिनेटेड वुडन फ्लोरिंग इन एवरी बेडरूम.
Okay.
वार्डरोब हम लगा के दे रहे हैं, फॉल सीलिंग हम करके देंगे विद लाइट्स एंड फैंस और वीआरवी एयर कंडीशनिंग.
Okay.
जितने भी बेडरूम्स हैं वो आपका वॉशरूम और बालकनी कनेक्टेड है सारे बेडरूम्स में. और जो वॉशरूम अभी आप देख रहे हो जैसे रेडी होके मैंने इसमें प्लेस करे.
Okay.
तो फिटिंग फिक्चर्स के साथ साथ आपके शावर पार्टीशन, वैनिटी, गीजर, मिरर सब हम लगा के दे रहे हैं.
Okay. Fully loaded.
फुली
Almost.
मूवेबल फर्नीचर्स को छोड़ के.
Yeah. And it's looking very spacious also.
यस. सो प्रॉपर स्क्वायर शेप का लेआउट है.
Yes, yes.
लिविंग डाइनिंग में मार्बल फ्लोरिंग है, सेंट्रलाइज्ड डक्टिंग हमने किया हुआ है. ऐसे हम लोग ऑफर करेंगे
Okay.
सेंट्रलाइज्ड.
So client will get the same.
हाँ. तो बेसिकली जो फॉल सीलिंग आप देख रहे हो, जो फैंसी फॉल सीलिंग है वो ऐसा यहाँ पे नहीं, मतलब ऐसा नहीं रहेगा. बट जो फर्स्ट बेडरूम का जैसे फॉल सीलिंग हम देख रहे हैं तो वैसे काइंड ऑफ हम लोग ऑफर करेंगे.
Plain wall.
प्लेन.
Oh, great. So it is a customized a part of interior if the client would like to do it as per their own.
एग्जैक्टली 12-13 ऑप्शंस हैं जिसमें से अगर कस्टमर सेलेक्ट करना चाहता है फुल्ली फर्निश्ड वाला.
This is the dining area and this is the drawing area.
ड्राइंग लिविंग एरिया.
It's very spacious of the L shape.
यस.
Of tentative area.
16 by 25.5.
Okay.
सो लिविंग डाइनिंग की जो बैल्कनी है दैट इज आल्सो एल शेप.
Okay.
ये आपकी बैल्कनी रहेगी सर.
Okay. Very spacious. Width इसकी काफ़ी अच्छी है.
सर 511 फीट है,
Okay.
6 फीट वाइड ऑलमोस्ट.
Width इसकी as compared to the other projects it's too good.
इवन वेट हो गई, फ्लोर टू सीलिंग हाइट हो गया, है ना. इवन वॉशरूम के साइजेस अगर आप देखोगे.
Right. Even once you are inside the apartment, you're not feeling it a little at a lower height. So the height of the apartment and the complete ceiling height looks amazing,
Sure.
giving the looks of a little villa kind of feeling.
एग्जैक्टली वही पैलेस थीम है सर.
Yeah.
उसी थीम में पूरा स्ट्रक्चर है.
Let's go to the kitchen. Kitchen is also fully done up.
फुली डन अप इंक्लूडिंग आपका लोअर अपर कैबिनेट, ओवन चिमनी, माइक्रोवेव, रेफ्रिजरेटर, आरओ.
Okay. Upper cabinet, lower cabinet, chimney, hob.
रेफ्रिजरेटर, माइक्रोवेव, आरओ, डबल बोल सिंक.
Okay, so white goods are also a part.
यस.
Okay, this is, I think,
सर्वेंट रूम 9 by 12 साइज.
the biggest servant room I ever saw till date in the size of 3500. This is not the servant you can just make it as your own office room also.
Absolutely. So decent washroom size also.
It's one of the biggest servant washroom of the area of 3500 square feet. It's one of the biggest, literally. And this would be the look of the green area once you will see it from the balcony side.
Yes.
Fully loaded rectangular kitchen. Now we have 3 bedrooms. First bedroom we already saw.
This is the second one.
Okay.
11 by 12 size with attached washroom.
Again the false ceiling would be done.
Yes sir.
The wardrobes would be there.
Yes.
The same.
Same one.
The depth is also good, I think. The depth is also amazing and it is full length.
Full
Most
length,
of the builder used to do it at 70% and they had given till the top. Washroom again fully done up.
Fully done up. So So we have connected the balcony of this particular room with my master bedroom.
Okay.
So here you will get the massive wraparound L-shaped
The
balcony.
glass partition also there?
Yes, shower partition, vanity, geyser, mirror,
Okay.
including the fitting fixtures.
Oh, great. This is also a very huge balcony.
पूरा L-shaped की balcony है sir.
Very huge balcony. The best part is that it has the very good width because the builder used to decrease the width normally in the running balconies. But here you can have the full artificial furniture also, but still it is not looking small. It is looking very spacious. And it is connected. It is just only one bedroom balcony. So you have a total privacy of your own. You can take your meeting calls with a lot of privacy
Right sir.
without knowing the.
Now we are entering to the master bedroom.
Okay.
Size 13 by 15.5
Okay.
with separate dresser area.
It is huge. That's the study table also. You have full bed along with both the side tables and resting chair also. Wall lamp and a very great ceiling height with the same type of false ceiling. The VRV air conditioning would be there with both hot and cold,
Yes.
and a proper TV cabinet space is also there. This is a kind of L-shaped wardrobe. Very spacious with a great depth. And washrooms are also fully done up with all the fitting and fixtures. Now let's enter to the third bedroom. Where also you have the ceiling height of 11 feet with the false ceiling work done. It is also attached with the balcony facing the green area of the project. And again the ceiling height is almost 11 feet.
So ये bedroom का size है 11.5 by 12.5 है. With attached washroom, wardrobe space अलग से है इसमें भी. Separate balcony.
So wardrobe would be a part of product.
हाँ.
The same wardrobe.
Same wardrobe.
Washroom is also fully done up with a vanity, glass partition and mirror.
And geyser.
Oh, geyser also. Great. Exhaust fan also. Even we cannot left the minor details. And in the kitchen also we get the geyser.
RO.
RO. Okay. So it's a fully done up kitchen with all the white goods. You'll get model kitchen but not the white goods, but in this project of Palatial you will get the model kitchen with the wardrobes. The main thing is the living and dining area of 3500 square feet. It is too spacious. Within the size of 3500 you have proper the L-shape area where your living dining area is totally separated with the dining area, and you have proper privacy with the foyer area. So if someone is coming at the delivery, they will not see the people who are sitting and having a dinner with you. So there's a proper privacy maintained in the foyer area. The ceiling is amazing. False ceiling is amazing.